Hey guys, Michelle Doherty from the Northern Virginia Association of Realtors here.
And Harrison Beecher, your 2022 GCAR President, the Greater Capital Area Association of Realtors.
We are so excited to have you guys back for the first time in 3 years for our legislative meeting and expo.
We got a slightly different location this year, the National Harbor Gaylord Hotel and Convention Center, but we are still in the nation's capital, and our region has so many awesome things right at the footsteps of where everything's happening. So Michelle, let's go show some folks some other options they have right outside.
Let's go. We got so much fun stuff. Let's go.
All right, friends, we're at our first location outside of National Harbor, Maryland. We're in Old Town Alexandria. And even though I live in Washington, D.C., whenever I'm coming down here, I hit up the Queen of the South for recommendations. So, Michelle, what are we going to check out?
We are going to head to King Street. We're going to check out a couple really cute spots. I'm going to take you down to the waterfront because, again, we're going to hit up some more waterfront spots. There's so much to see here, so let's go check it out. Hey, guys, we're here on King Street. I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite spots here in Old Town. Let's go. My second favorite spot, we're just a step off of King Street. We are at Virtue Feed and Grain, absolutely delicious, and we're gonna head straight to the water so you can check out my next favorite spot.
That's what's so dope about Old Town is you got this combination of history, culture, food, shopping, all that. Thank you, Queen of the South. This is awesome.
You're so welcome.
Take me to the water. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, Queen of the South, thank you so much for showing us Old Town. This has been absolutely beautiful.
Well, you are so very welcome. I'm so glad you guys came on this short journey with us. As you can see, we're right across the water from the Gaylord. It is a 15-minute Uber ride or a fun little water taxi ride on over to Old Town for all the history, wonderful restaurants, and shopping and more. Well, we're fresh off the water taxi. We are at the Wharf where we installed Harrison just a couple months ago.
Waterfront, baby. Waterfront living.
The best.
There's so few places in the region that interact with the water and the city and things to do at a high level. The Wharf has it all. So I'm excited to show you another option outside of National Harbor. You can get here by a quick Uber ride or water taxi. And 2 of my favorite places are Union Stage, where we're having an event on May 3rd, and also the rooftop at 12 stories. So let's go check those out, Michelle.
Let's go.
I'll hold you. All right, so the coolest part about the Wharf is the views. DC doesn't have really high elevation because nothing can be higher than 14 floors. So when you get up high, you can see everything. From here, we got National Harbor, the Gaylord, where the convention's happening. We got Old Town Alexandria and the Masonic Temple, where we just were with the Queen of the South in Old Town. You even got the Queen of the South's home in South Arlington and National Airport, where everybody's flying in. So the Wharf is beautiful because of the views, and La Vie, where we are now, lets you see it all. All right, Michelle, we are at Union Stage. We're on Tuesday, May 3rd, DCAR and GCAR joint event welcoming everybody to the city in the right way. This is one of my favorite live music venues, and we did a complete buyout to show you how we get down in DC. So make sure Tuesday, May 3rd, you are joining us here at Union Stage.
It's gonna be epic.
All right, friends, we hope you appreciate our suggestions for things to do off campus while you're here at the National Harbor Gaylord, and we are so excited to welcome you back to the DMV.
And if you guys need anything at all while you're staying in the nation's capital, don't hesitate to hit us up. Bye, guys.